Hi everyone, it's Ashley here, and I am so excited to share with you a brand new tinted SPF that I have been loving. So I personally really like to wear a tinted SPF on my face because I am outside in the sun, taking my kids to the park, running errands, working out, taking walks, and I really just need that light layer of SPF on my face. I'm also susceptible to hyperpigmentation, so it's really important for me to cover my face and just make sure that I have sunscreen on my skin, on my face particularly. I also want to use SPF on my face to combat any signs of aging that I can. We know that excessive sun exposure on the face can cause dark spots, fine lines, wrinkles, can kind of speed up the aging process on the face. So while I love getting sun on my skin for the vitamin D and other benefits, and I love to get sunlight in the morning through my eyes, to help set my circadian rhythm, I really enjoy just having an SPF, a tinted SPF on my face for everyday wear. I also don't typically wear foundation every day, and so a tinted SPF is a way for me to have some coverage on my face, but not a full face of makeup. Oftentimes, tinted SPFs are a little bit lighter in coverage than a foundation, and so that's why I personally wear one and why you might enjoy one as well. So today I am going to share with you about the Crunchi Sunlight Tinted Sunscreen, or Tinted SPF. This is SPF 30. And it is a tinted sunscreen. This is a very cool product because it is skincare, makeup, and sun protection all in one. It has all three of those things, which is great. I love a multi-use product, especially as someone who is busy. I don't want to be having to use multiple products on my skin if I can just use one and put on some mascara, maybe some eyebrow gel, and I'm good to go. That is what I prefer on a daily basis. So I'm going to tell you the benefits of this, and then I'm actually going to apply it to my face so you can see the finish. So the cool thing about this, like I said, it has skincare benefits, it's sun protection, and it's makeup. So this product not only has non-nano zinc, which is important. You want a mineral sunscreen, and zinc is really a great mineral sunscreen to use. And if you can, you want to look for a non-nano version. So non-nano means it's not going to absorb into the skin and get into the bloodstream. So this Crunchi product uses a non-nano zinc sunscreen for the sun protection, which is great. On the skincare side, this product has vitamin C, which is awesome at brightening up the skin, helping with skin tone and, dark spots, uneven skin tone, things like that. It also has niacinamide, which is also great for the skin. It has hyaluronic acid as well, and squalene. Those are great skincare loving ingredients that are going to just add a little boost to our skin. And I love that it's in this product. It's not a separate product. A lot of times those ingredients are in a serum, which is still fantastic, but I love that you're also getting it in this. And then lastly, it has the makeup coverage. This is, you'll see when I put it on, it is tinted. And I love that. When I went to the dermatologist last year, I was asking about tinted SPFs, and she was saying that a tinted SPF is actually awesome to use because not only does it have that SPF, but the tint in it, the makeup in it, actually gives an additional layer of protection. So if you are somebody like me that struggles with hyperpigmentation or dark spots, it's just kind of that little added layer of protection to have the makeup and the sunscreen in one. So this product is like packed full of amazing, safe, skincare loving ingredients, has great, safe, mineral-based zinc, non-nano zinc oxide sunscreen, and it has the makeup tint to give you that coverage. Not too heavy though, it's a very light. So let's put this on. This is shade light medium. There are 5 shades of this Crunchi tinted sunscreen, and I will say that there's a little forgiveness within the shades. So where a foundation, you might need more of a true shade. This tinted SPF, I feel like, because there are only those 5 shades, they're a little bit blendable. So there might be some wiggle room in terms of the shade that you are. I am a light medium. You can see the skin tone that I have. I try to keep the sun off of my face, so my face is going to be a little bit lighter than the rest of my body, but I am definitely kind of that light to medium, light medium skin tone. I have a blemish here, but I do not have any makeup on my face other than mascara. So I am putting this on a clean face. So you want to apply a tinted sunscreen as kind of your first step, last step of skincare, first step of makeup. So you're going to cleanse your face first and foremost. If you use a toner or an essence, then you would use your toner and essence, and then you would apply your serum. So for me, I apply a vitamin C serum, and then I actually use a moisturizer. I use a facial oil as my moisturizer, and then I'm going to apply this. You might not need a moisturizer depending on how oily your skin is or how dry your skin is. You might be able to apply this right after you use a serum. I would let the serum completely dry and soak in and then apply this. Just play with it. See how your skin does with adding a moisturizer or not. I am perfectly fine with having a facial oil on my face. I do my gua sha. I let that kind of sit for a little bit, and then I will go ahead and apply this. So let's put this on so you can see what it looks like. I am going to just use one pump. That is plenty for me. I do not need more than that. Depending on how much coverage you want, you may want a little bit more, but one pump is plenty. So I actually will always apply a product to the back of my hand, and then I will apply it. So I just did one pump, and you can see how much comes out. It's a good amount, but really not that much product. So this will last you for a good amount of time. I apply with my fingers. You can easily apply it with a flat top brush if you want, or a foundation brush would also work. But what you're gonna do is just basically kind of rub it in and massage it into your skin. You can see it blends in really nicely. Very, very like smooth finish. You can see that it's giving me some color, color correction. It's giving me a little bit of, color in terms of the shade, but it's not, it's not a very thick, heavy looking, foundation that you might try. It's a very lightweight, definitely, you can see it's a tinted SPF. So trying to get as close as I can so you can see. Now, like I said, I would wear this as kind of my facial makeup. And then what I would do is I would go ahead and put on my concealer, blush, eyebrow pencil or gel, and then mascara. And that would be my coverage for the day. So you can see it's a very nice, very lightweight. I used almost all of the product. I would go wash my hands now just so that I'm not, I don't have product left over, but you can see it goes on very smooth. It covered my blemish a little bit, gives me good coverage, but it's gonna give me that 30 SPF and all of those skincare loving benefits. So I'm gonna put the link below if you're interested in shopping this. A tinted SPF is always something that's nice to have. Obviously in the summertime it's great, but this also does protect from UVA and UVB and does have that niacinamide, which does help to protect from blue light. So if you're somebody that works inside and you're around a computer screen a lot, this is also a great product. So it could be good for inside or outside all year round. You could definitely wear this. I know I am planning to. It is a little bit lighter weight than the Crunchi foundation, which I like for just like an everyday use. So let me know if you have questions. I'm happy to help.